Nomi responds to natural language, controlling everything from navigation to massage seats, and is set to integrate even deeper with your digital life. It's more than a voice assistant, it's a co-pilot that understands your routines and preferences, making every drive uniquely yours. The car becomes part of your connected ecosystem, preconditioning the cabin, syncing with your calendar, even accepting package deliveries. Your vehicle is now an extension of your digital world, anticipating your needs before you even step inside. Advanced Level 3 autonomy is rolling out, letting the car take over on highways so you can relax, work, or watch a video in traffic. This leap in automation transforms the driving experience, giving you back precious time and peace of mind. The new luxury is intelligent, personal, and seamlessly connected. It's about more than just features. It's about creating an environment that feels tailored to you every moment you're inside. From Rolls-Royce's whimsical animations to Mercedes' predictive AI and Neo's conversational assistant, technology is now the soul of the luxury car. These innovations don't just add convenience, they redefine what it means to feel special behind the wheel. It's not just about comfort, it's about crafting an emotional, personalized experience. Every interaction, every detail is designed to make you feel understood and at home. This is the future of luxury interiors, where technology, design, and emotion come together to create spaces that are as intelligent as they are beautiful.